Well, let's begin now. What is expected to happen in the national capital now ahead of the elections? The Congress party has announced a healthcare scheme, which is Jeevan, Raksha, Yojana. As part of its election manifesto, as far as the scheme that is expected to provide free of cost medical treatment in Delhi through universal health insurance to up to 25 lakhs. The Congress leader and former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot termed the scheme as potential game changer. By Congress leader and former Rajasthan Chief Minister, he introduced the proposed scheme and stated that this initiative is modelled after the Chiranjeevi scheme from Rajasthan. Meanwhile, the scheme that has caused a massive political storm with the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party claiming that the Congress has lost its ground in Delhi already, and this scheme was proof that the Congress was just trying to prove its existence in the national capital. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi, who's joining us live right now. Sabya, good morning. Now, schemes after schemes, we are looking at how they have now been rolling up, especially right ahead of the elections there, which have already been announced. What is this Yojana all about, and what precedent has it already set as far as already taken up in Rajasthan? And this seems to be on the same line that the Congress party is expected to follow in Delhi as well.
Well, that's right. Yesterday, the Congress party has announced a health insurance scheme for the people of the national capital, that if it comes into power, it will give around 25 lakh health cover insurance to the people of the national capital. Now, we had seen that before the Congress party had announced that they are going to give 2,500 to the women of the national capital. Now, we had seen that how the controversy surrounded once the Aam Aadmi Party had announced the Sanjeevani Yojana as well as the Mahila Samman Yojana here in the national capital. Now, experts continue to believe that this freebie culture could create a lot of pressure on the financial structure of the state. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP attacked the Congress party, stating that it is the desperate attempt of the Congress party to make its presence felt here in the national capital, because for the Congress party, it's a very big challenge because they have no presence here in the national capital. Now, the Congress party is trying to regain the lost power here in the national capital, and the Congress party feels that these announcements that they are making, whether it is the scheme to give women 2,500 per month or the health insurance scheme, these schemes will be a game changer for the Congress party here in the national capital, and their leaders strongly believe that the Congress will come into power. Meanwhile, the AAP and the BJP continues to differ from the Congress party, stating that the weakest link here in the Delhi polls is the Congress party, and they are trying hard to make their presence felt here in the national capital.
All right. For looking at the situation as far as this new scheme on part of health insurance, that is an announcement made on part of the Congress party just ahead of the Delhi elections. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. But speaking